Hello from Slovenia again. It's so hot here in Slovenia that almost too hot to paint, because I think that my paints don't behave because of this temperature, so maybe I will have to move to kitchen again. I like to paint in my kitchen, but I don't like to clean the kitchen afterwards, so I hope that I will get workspace for me soon, that it will have air condition and everything in it, that I will have the temperature that I need for my paintings. I will do a flower dip, but I just see that there is so many air bubbles in this black paint. I have to torch really carefully, because I have this on my plastic, so I don't want to do a hole. And today I will do some pinks and violets, and I will use some rose metallic, so I will see how this will work. So I will start with primary rose, and maybe I will add this metallic here in between. And I will add some enamel white too. So my white mixed with satin enamel and magenta. This is permanent magenta. And some alizarian violet. And I will add some of this white in between. And I think that I will try to add a little yellow in the middle. And I will do some turquoise just here maybe. And today I didn't paint. This is just dry canvas. And I will paint my sides later with black, because it's easier to lift it now and without black sides. And let's see. Oops. Maybe I did this flower too big. But I like it. We'll just pour some black here on the sides and just spread it. Let's torch this a little bit. I have a lot of air bubbles, but I hope that I can keep this I like this metallic and enamel together. It creates just beautiful cells with white around. I just don't like this part. I don't know if I can do something. And I just love these cells. I'll just try to push just a little of this green, or maybe I will blow it. And let's see what we have here for the skin. I think that this is again more beautiful than this, but as you know, I can use it. I will do a video because I will put it just on tile and put the tile in the floating frame that we will make ourselves. And if you are interested, I can show it to you too on video. just tell me in comments if you like to. If you like to see this, how we make floating frame from wood, and I can do a video about it too. So maybe I should add a little more white, I don't know. But I think that this skin is gorgeous too. We'll just carefully pop just a little of these air bubbles, because I have to be careful with it. I don't like this. So, and this white dot here, and this white dot here. You just can fix it with your finger, and you will blend these areas that you don't like as much as others. So where are my skins? I can show you some of my skins here, what I will use on the tiles. Where are they? I have this one waiting to add it on tile, and this one I like some details on this one. So if you didn't watch my video, I just pull this off. I will of the plastic, you see, carefully pull off, and I will place it to the tile. You see, it just go easily. So this will not be waste. This will be gorgeous dip on the tile, because I like this one too. I will take you for a close-up. So, canvas first. This is what is on the canvas. I think that it's beautiful. It has so many gorgeous details. I don't know how to show you this. See these tiny cells with white around. I really like these details. These tiny white dots here. This yellow in the middle. I think that it's nice. I should maybe, sorry, I live in the village, so this lacing, white lacing and black lacing, it's just gorgeous. Maybe I could add more white, I don't know, I will try next time, but I'm quite happy. And this is what it left and what will be a beautiful, beautiful flower dip skin. I will try to focus this. See this all these beautiful details from satin enamel and metallic rose. I think that it has so many gorgeous details that I just love this. So this is it for today, and I will do some similar flower dips with metallics and satin enamel, maybe just metallics and satin enamel, and see what the difference will be. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye!